When certain ions are placed in water, they attract water molecules to form hydration spheres around them. This process is known as hydration of ions. The attraction between the ions and water molecules is due to the opposite charges. The positive charge of the ion attracts the negative end of the water molecule, while the negative charge of the ion attracts the positive end of the water molecule. The strength of the attraction between the ion and the water molecules depends on the charge and size of the ion. Smaller ions with higher charges tend to attract more water molecules and form larger hydration spheres because of the asymmetric charge distribution in the water molecule. Adjacent water molecules are held together by attractive electrostatic delta plus, delta minus interactions between the partially negatively charged oxygen atom of one molecule and the partially positively charged hydrogen atoms of adjacent molecules. Energy is needed to overcome these electrostatic attractions. Ionic compounds such as sodium chloride, NaCl, are also held together by electrostatic interactions, in this case, between oppositely charged ions in the highly ordered solid, where each ion is surrounded by ions of the opposite charge in a fixed arrangement. In contrast to an ionic solid, the structure of liquid water is not completely ordered because the interactions between molecules in a liquid are constantly breaking and reforming. The unequal charge distribution in polar liquids such as water makes them good solvents for ionic compounds. When an ionic solid dissolves in water, the ions dissociate. That is, the partially negatively charged oxygen atoms of the H2O molecules surround the cations, Na+ in the case of NaCl, and the partially positively charged hydrogen atoms in H2O surround the anions. Individual cations and anions that are each surrounded by their own shell of water molecules are called hydrated ions.